The Prime Minister, after the NDA meeting, the alliance partners went to meet the President at Rashtrapati Bhavan to give those letters as well and, show their support for Narendra Modi. And the Prime Minister himself went to meet with the two men who were, really credited with bringing the BJP back, Murli Manohar Joshi, LK Advani. The Prime Minister met with them and they were, of course, in his first term moved to the position of Margdarshak. But interesting, the optics of it, the symbolism of it. And tell us what happens next. So the NDA allies went to meet with the President, and then today evening at 6, the Prime Minister will go and meet with the President.
Well, that's right, Gargi. The Prime Minister went and met LK Advani, the man who was at the center of the Ram Mandir movement. And of course, Murli Manohar Joshi was part of the earlier government, someone who's also really fought for, the Ram Temple. And these are two people who are very important for the erstwhile NDA government. And now that NDA becomes all the more important, it's also symbolic for the Prime Minister to represent the fact that, he honors, all the developments that have taken place in the past. And he has also been doing this in the past many years. Ramnath Kovind also is an important figure because he was the first Dalit president that the BJP had, BJP proposed. And of course, he also has his own importance in the larger politics of the country. And this is also the Prime Minister with this whole NDA meeting. This is also the Prime Minister showing that, there is no other leader in the NDA who is sort of capable of leading this country. And that is what all the allies unanimously talked about today, saying that, with Rajnath Singh himself moving this resolution, and of course then Amit Shah and Nitin Gadkari seconding that, and then Kumaraswamy was called, and of course all the allies spoke, and everybody said the same thing, that Narendra Modi is the leader who's capable, who's the only one that we look up to for leading the alliance.